a friend in Jesus. He's everything to me. He's the fairest star, 10,000s to my soul. Oh, the lily of the valley, in Him alone I see all I need to cleanse and make me fully whole. In sorrow He's my comfort, in trouble He's my stay. He tells me every care on Him to roll. He's the lily of the valley, the bright and morning star. He's the fairest star, 10,000s to my soul. He all my grief has taken, and all my sorrows borne. In temptation He's my strong, mighty tower. I have all for Him forsaken, and all my idols torn from my heart, and now He keeps me by His power. Though all the world forsake me, Satan tempts me sore, through Jesus I shall safely reach that shore. Well, He's the lily of the valley, the bright and morning star. He's the fairest star, 10,000s to my soul. You know He'll never leave me nor forsake me, while I live by faith and do His will. A wall of fire about me, I've nothing now to fear. With His manna He my hungry soul shall fill. Thank God He is my everything. Then sweeping up to glory, to see His blessed face, where rivers of delight shall ever roll. Well, He's the lily of the valley, the bright and morning star. He's the fairest star, 10,000s to my soul. Oh, He's the fairest star, 10,000s to my soul. Oh, He's the fairest star, 10,000s to my soul. Oh, He's the fairest star, 10,000s to my soul.